Okay, so this is kind of a cartoony figure of some possible groundwater flow with different parts, within different parts of a very large aquifer. And the point that this diagram is trying to get across is that we have very different scales of aquifers that interact um, all over the spectrum of size. So in this instant, we see some blue arrows that are the groundwater table moving from the high groundwater table into superficial waters like rivers and lakes, and then we see red arrows that are moving along different paths, even though it's in the same aquifer system. It's not a separated aquifer, but it's more of a regional. And then we see these black arrows that are much deeper, and they're of a very large regional system. So we have interactions that span between a few kilometers to hundreds of thousands, maybe, of kilometers, square kilometers, that we need to understand how they interact between each other. So, like I said, what we want to do is get a very good idea of what the anatomy of these things are on those different scales so that we can predict which direction this groundwater is going to be flowing.